BMW M. It's the new BMW Melbourne store. I'm here today to drop the bike off for a service. Motor road service. Motor road service. Yeah, it's the car workshop. Where's the bike servicing? G'day, how are you?
Do you mind if I just quickly move your motorcycle just over there?
Yeah, sure.
Happening to yours anyways, because if somebody walks to
Oh, okay, sorry, I wasn't sure where to park to drop it off.
you got the key still in there?
Yeah.
Perfect. Just leave it in there, I'll move it around for
You sure I can do it?
No, it's all good.
You sure?
Yeah, no,
Okay, cool. Buy my S1000. I've never ridden one of these before. Cool. This thing's big, man. Oh, dude, the seat is so comfortable. What the fuck? This is sick. This is sick, dude. What the hell? Dude, the suspension is so comfortable. What the fuck? This thing's sick. What the fuck is this, dude? This is awesome. Oh boy. Damn, this is comfy as, man. Alrighty, fam. Dropped the S1000 off for a service at BMW Melbourne. Brand new workshop, brand new showroom. Looks amazing. The little BMW M. Anyway, they've given me the F900 as a loan bike whilst my bike is in for the major. I've never ridden one of these before, but it's pretty sick. Like, keyless start. The key's in my pocket. Dash lights up. Let's jump on this thing. It's so comfy, dude. Like, I feel like I could ride this all day. Wait, what's the suspension setting? Road, dynamic, road, dynamic, road. Oh, there's a pillion mode. That's cool. I have to take backpack on the back. Try out the pillion mode. Oh, dude, the seat's so comfy. It's got a bit of torque, this thing. I guess being a twin, it's a 900 twin. Dude, the quick shifter, man. Oh, yeet. This thing's fun. Oh, can I not go out that way? Dude. I know this is only 100 horsepower, but it feels like it's got so much more grunt. Dude. Yeah. Oh, it's so nice over speed bumps. This is so easy to ride. Yeet. Dude, this bike, I know it doesn't look like a nice beautiful super sport, but I'm telling you, it's so nice. It's so nice for just cruising along. Like, this street I just came down is like a four-wheel drive track, right? It's so bumpy, and on the S1000 and even in my car you feel it. On this, it's magic carpet. Magic fucking carpet, bro. Ooh, X3 M40i. I like those. What other modes does it have? Mode, dynamic, rain, mode, dynamic. Oh, let me see dynamic. Oh, dude, it's got tire gauge pressures. That is so handy. Oh, you got to adjust that shift light, bro. 5,000 revs. See how she handles, eh? Dude, it's pretty nice. Plenty of power. This is nice, dude. Oh, it's got cruise control, just like my S1000. Oh, bruh. Dude, it feels like a fucking armchair. This is sick. I feel really tall, like I'm sitting up quite high. But yeah, no pressure or strain on my back at all, or my wrists or arms or anything. I just feel like I'm on a comfortable, talky armchair. Dude, it's got plenty of grunt. This is like the perfect commuter bike. I mean, it's a bit fat. I don't know how it'll go for filtering. But for highway, like, this is chill. This is cool. Navigation, music, telephone, settings. Oh, look, it's the sport dash. Let's see, does it show you? Oh yeah, it shows you how much brake pressure you're pulling. That's sick. We're on the Westgate Bridge, going west side. I've got a special surprise for you guys. We're going west side to look at something very cool. Something I've been wanting to ride for a long time. Dude, this bike's so chill. It's so compliant and just happy cruising. The S1000's like when you're cruising at 60, it's like, bro, what are you doing? I'm a race bike. What are you doing? Come on, bro. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Whereas this bike, it's just like, oh yeah, I'm happy to be here. Oh, dude, it's so flickable. You wouldn't think a big, heavy, oh, I don't know the weight, but like you would think just by the size of how tall this bike is, you'd think it'd be more difficult than this. This is bliss. I love this. Maybe I should get one, man. Like, I kind of enjoy like long cruises and exploring. Although I'd like to see how it fares in like actual tight stuff. Obviously it won't be as good, but see how tight of it. Dude, that's full lock. Dude, this thing fucking, look at that. That's sick. Oh, I'm getting dizzy. Yeah, let's do it the other way. Oh, that's some fucking finesse right there, boy. Yeah, BMW power. Oh, look at that BMW, boy. Look at that Beamer. Hey, man. Is Jack here yet? Nah, I beat him.
Yeah, he's 20 minutes away.
20 minutes? Yeah. Motherfucker. Huh?
What is this?
Nah, new bike, bro.
No way.
Nah, I'm fucking with you. It's a loan bike. Mine's it's getting a major service done. It takes 2 days, so they gave me this. It's actually sick though, not gonna lie. I mean, it looks kind of ugly, but like it's so comfy and talky.
You sound like an old man.
I am an old man. Alrighty, fam, this is the last day that I'm on the F900 BMW XR, and today I'm commuting to work on it. Pretty much like the ideal thing that it's really built for. Like, it's so damn comfortable, you know, with the screen and the torque, this comfy seat. Oh, what I noticed last night, if you're riding at night and you're in a corner, and you know on a motorbike how your headlights aim straight, so if it's pitch black in a corner, you can't really see through the corner that well. The bike will detect that you're at a lean angle, and it'll light up like a light on the corner, and it lights through. It's so sick. Just check what heated grips are like. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so 3 heated grip settings. I'll just keep it on the lowest. But yeah, that's the F900. You're looking for like more of a touring like bike, doing long distances on the highway, going exploring. Oh, it's great for a passenger. I took my girlfriend on the back. It's mint. got plenty of power, dude. Like easy. Easy peasy, Japanesey. Alright, adios, fam.